How to use Higgsfield AI UGC Builder step-by-step tutorial. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys step-by-step on how you can get started with the latest Higgsfield tool. Now, what exactly is this brand new tool on Higgsfield? Higgsfield is super amazing when it comes to visual effects and bringing a creative element to any of your photos or videos. But Higgsfield has now launched something that is a bit more commercial, and that is their AI UGC. So when you log onto your Higgsfield account, you can just click on sign up on the top right if you don't have an account already, and then you just sign up. Once you've completed your sign up, you can go into create on the top left, then you can click on UGC. Once you click on UGC over here, you can select a template. So you guys can see that there are several different templates available. So we have selling, we have car talking, mirror selfies, steady cams, static, streaming, angry mode, rapping, handheld, singing, and more. So I want to be using the car talking template, and within this you can see there are images that you're going to select next. So I'm going to go with car talking and then click on next over here. Now you're going to upload your photo that you want to use as a character. Now you can upload this or you can generate this. This is up to your personal preference. So I want to generate this and I can go on ahead and generate the image. However, I actually want to be using one of my pre-built images. So within this, I have created this image of this blonde woman. So if I want, I can proceed with that, but I'm just going to go back into my UGC builder. We're going to go with car talking, click on next. Then I'm going to select the image that I want to upload. So right now I'm uploading the image that I want to be using as my UGC creator or content. Then you're going to click on next and then choose the action or the gesture. So for the action, the woman is smiling and pointing outside. Then I'm going to click on next and we're going to enter our character's speech. Now, this is going to be the dialogue that they're going to say. You can select whatever you want over here. I want to proceed with something that's a bit generic, that's not too specific. I'm going to go with, story time. So story time, the last time I drove through this street, it was totally, or I was in a mess, like so. Once you've entered your dialogue, you can click on next, and then you can choose the voice type. So if you wanted to whisper a bit, if you want it to be a rough voice, harsh voice, very high, low and strong, or soft and clear. I'm going to go with soft and clear. And the emotion I'm going to keep is playful. After that, we have language. I'm going to select English, and then the accent, I want to go with an American accent, and then click on next. You can add a background sound as well. Then you can proceed with generating. Now keep in mind you have two options. You can go with VO3, which is high quality cinematic video. That is going to cost you 150 credits. However, if you opt for VO3 fast, you can get started for only 80 credits. So we're going to proceed over here and then we can proceed with our creation. Keep in mind that Higgsfield does, provide you with a certain limited number of credits. And then after that, you can pick your plan and then choose however many credits you're going to be, using. Based upon your usage, you can adjust your plan accordingly. Now, if you want to take a look at some examples, you can just see all the different types of characters that you have. And you can choose how your character moves and how the camera is going to follow the character as well. And the character is obviously going to be replaced with your own AI avatar. It's just easier to use a template when you're getting started. You can even just select general, so if you don't have an exact idea. So even if you don't have an exact idea of how you want your video to look, you still do have, a basic to get started with. Now, if you go into Higgsfield AI Explorer, you can see that this is a brand new feature. You're not going to find this elsewhere, and you can choose a bunch of different things within your videos. So if you go into Higgsfield, the regular Speak version, you can see the UGC Builder and Higgsfield Speak are different. The reason for that is Higgsfield Speak is something that is a bit more detailed, a bit more prompt-based, whereas with the UGC Builder, it focuses on creating content that looks like it was from a UGC creator. This is especially helpful for brands to build their own voices, product tutorials, story times, and to build your personal branding with your own characters. So if you don't want to go with UGC building, and if you find this to be something that is a bit different than what you require, you can always go into Higgsfield Speak. Now within that, you can even click on change, and you actually have several different templates within this. And then after that, you can go ahead and select your avatar, or you can upload an image. So let's say I want to be using Alexia, and then I can enter my prompt. So my prompt is going to say story time girlies. I had the best spa experience in Miami this week. And then after that, I'm going to select the model, and then we can choose the quality, and then you can click on generate. Now you can obviously provide the audio, and I'm just going to be selecting Alexia like so. And once I do that, I can proceed with any background sounds I want to use and then proceed. Now, again, depending on how many credits you have used, your Higgsfield credit packages are going to recommend that you upgrade, because Higgsfield does not directly allow you to purchase more credits. You do have to directly opt for a higher plan. Now, how exactly does pricing start on Higgsfield? Well, when it comes to Higgsfield and Higgsfield pricing, they have 4 plans. Starting off, they have the basic plan at $9 a month, which has 150 credits per month and 2 concurrent generations. However, keep in mind that only one video generation is going to cost you 150 credits. So, if UGC content is something you want to focus on when using Higgsfield, then you're going to have to opt for a more premium package. I would recommend the creator plan for people that are looking to build UGC content, because with the creator, although it's pretty expensive, it's $150. You have 6,000 credits every month, and you have their UGC builder, character creation, and soul. You also have their light, standard, turbo, and VO3 models included, with image editing as well as previewing any upcoming features. And you have 15% off on extra credits as well. So every credit top up comes with a 15% off, which is not something you can avail on the basic plan. Now, when it comes to just commercial use, it is commercially viable to use, even videos you've created with the basic plan. However, with their pro and ultimate plan, you get access to 600 credits and then 1,200 credits a month. So I do think that the most value that you're going to get is going to be on the creator plan, especially if you opt for annual billing, because with annual billing, you're going to be saving 40%. Whereas on monthly billing, this is going to be $249 every month, which I do think is a pretty hefty price to spend. Now, keep in mind you can purchase their credit packs over here, and their credit packs start at $5 for 80 credits, 170 credits for $10, 380 credits for $20, and 840 credits for $40. This is something that can be pretty expensive. I usually like to recommend to opt for the most value, and that is on their $80 credit pack with 1,700 credits, which are going to last you a while, especially with video creation and UGC content. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and if you have any questions or queries, you guys can leave those in the comments down below. I would love to know what you guys have to say. Thanks for watching.